Okay guys, what we're rocking with today is going to be the high-end i9 13th gen, right on into a Z790 motherboard. That's going to be a DDR4 board with the RTX3080 Ti. For any of those 4K gamers, this is what you're going to be looking for. That high-end build, this is what you want. All right, let's get to it. Okay guys, what we did was we put together for an architect that we're actually catering to, or if you needed 3D printing design, something really high-end for processing power and graphic power, what we put together is an i9 13th gen right into a Z790p motherboard powered by that 3080 Ti. That's a PNY label with an EVGA 1000 watt power. That's going to be a fully modular power supply to offer future proofing, and what we housed that in was, of course, their 7000D airflow for a couple of different reasons. When you simply see what is inside, you can see how much power he has, but how much space he has. You can almost crawl into that thing if you wanted to. If you need more and more fan additions, that's what this is for. There's about 12 total that you can put into this. You don't necessarily need it, but if you want extra RGB or you need that airflow, that's what it's for. Unbelievable case. The housing in the back for our cable management offers more and more bays for your hard drives. If you need 3.5-inch bays or even 2.5-inch, there's a lot of solid state drive proofing and additions. So if you need that done, we do that here at Impress Computers. We will guide you in that direction if you're looking for something like that. Products, sales, even management for cybersecurity. We offer a remote support for that. All you have to do is just pick up the phone, 281-647-9977. Thank you guys. Here goes. So, real quick. Okay, we wanted to have a high-end build that's for a architect, basically, an architect. I can't talk right. One more time, let's try this. Mustache power. All right, here it goes.